Welcome back to the channel, amazing coin collectors and history hunters. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and powerful coins ever struck by the United States Mint, the legendary Eisenhower Dollar from the United States of America. If you love rare U.S. coins, silver dollars, and historic American currency, then this video is exactly what you've been searching for. This Liberty United States of America $1 coin, boldly stamped with "In God We Trust" and "E Pluribus Unum," is more than just pocket change. It's a tribute to strength, leadership, and American pride. Featuring the powerful image of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the obverse, this coin honors a war hero and a former U.S. president whose legacy shaped modern America. First released in 1971, the Eisenhower $1 coin was minted to commemorate both President Eisenhower and the historic Apollo 11 moon landing, making it one of the most historically significant dollar coins ever produced. Some rare varieties, silver issues, and high-grade uncirculated examples are now highly sought after by collectors worldwide. And yes, certain versions can be worth far more than their face value. So whether you're searching for valuable Eisenhower dollars, rare U.S. $1 coins, 1971 to 1978 silver dollars, or hidden treasure in your coin collection, stay tuned. In today's Coin in God We Trust Coins for a Minute, we'll uncover key dates, mint marks, rare errors, and the true value of the Eisenhower Liberty Dollar. Don't go anywhere. Your next valuable coin discovery could be hiding in plain sight. Let's get started. The 1974 Eisenhower $1 coin from the United States of America is one of the most fascinating large dollar coins ever produced. And today we're diving deep into its real value, rare varieties, mint errors, and collector demand. This iconic coin features the bold portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the obverse, along with the powerful inscriptions "Liberty," "In God We Trust," and the date 1974. On the reverse, you'll find the majestic eagle landing on the moon, inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia, designed by Frank Gasparo. It's a coin packed with American history, space exploration pride, and presidential legacy all in one large, heavy dollar. The 1974 Eisenhower Dollar was minted at 3 different locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins struck in Philadelphia carry no mint mark, Denver issues feature the D mint mark, and San Francisco coins carry the S. Most $1,974 found in circulation are clad coins composed of copper and nickel, not silver. However, San Francisco also produced special 40% silver versions specifically for collectors. These silver-clad coins were not released for general circulation, making them more desirable today, especially in high grades or original packaging. When it comes to value, the majority of circulated 1974 Eisenhower dollars are worth around face value to a few dollars depending on condition. Because millions were produced, they are not automatically rare. However, condition is everything. Coins graded mint state, MS65 or higher, by professional grading services can command significantly higher prices. Brilliant, uncirculated examples with strong luster, minimal contact marks, and sharp details are far more attractive to collectors. The 40% silver versions from San Francisco typically carry higher intrinsic value because of their silver content, often trading above regular clad coins. One of the most exciting aspects of the 1974 Eisenhower Dollar is the possibility of rare mint errors. Collectors are constantly searching for double die errors, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, and dramatic die cracks. A genuine double die obverse, where the lettering or date appears slightly doubled, can dramatically increase a coin's value. Error coins in high condition can sell for hundreds of dollars depending on the severity and visibility of the mistake. Always examine the lettering "Liberty" and "In God We Trust" carefully, as doubling is sometimes most visible there. Another key factor affecting value is proof coins. In 1974, the San Francisco Mint struck proof versions with mirror-like fields and frosted designs. These proof coins were specially made for collectors and often show stunning contrast known as cameo or deep cameo. A high-grade proof coin graded PR69 deep cameo can command impressive prices compared to ordinary circulated pieces. The visual appeal of these proof coins makes them highly sought after by serious collectors building complete Eisenhower dollar sets. The design of the Eisenhower dollar itself holds major historical importance. The reverse design commemorates the Apollo 11 moon landing, one of America's greatest achievements. The eagle clutching an olive branch landing on the moon symbolizes peace through strength and technological advancement. This connection to the U.S. space program gives the coin added historical appeal beyond simple currency. It represents both a president who led during World War II and the dawn of the space age. Despite not being rare in lower grades, the Eisenhower dollar has been gaining popularity among collectors in recent years. Large dollar coins are no longer produced for circulation in the same way, making them nostalgic pieces of American coinage history. The hefty size and weight give it a substantial feel compared to modern coins. Many collectors believe high-grade Eisenhower dollars are undervalued today compared to their historical significance. If you believe you have a 1974 Eisenhower dollar worth more than face value, consider checking its condition under good lighting. Look for strong detail in Eisenhower's hair, minimal scratches on the cheek and jawline, and clean, bright surfaces. For silver versions, verify the edge. Silver-clad coins have a solid silver-gray edge, rather than the copper stripe seen on clad coins. Professional grading by respected services can authenticate and potentially increase market value if the coin is truly high-grade. The truth is, while most 1974 Eisenhower $1 coins will not make you a millionaire overnight, certain rare varieties, pristine uncirculated examples, high-grade proofs, and dramatic mint errors can be worth significantly more than $1. The key is knowledge, careful inspection, and understanding mint marks, composition, and grading standards. For collectors passionate about U.S. coins, the 1974 Eisenhower dollar remains an exciting piece of American history that continues to attract attention in today's market. The Eisenhower dollar is one of the most powerful and historic large-size coins ever issued by the United States. Struck in 1971, this iconic dollar was created to honor the legacy of President Dwight D. Eisenhower, a five-star general and the 34th President of the United States. When you hold a 1971 Eisenhower $1 coin in your hand, you are not just holding money, you are holding a bold piece of American history that marked the end of the large dollar coin era. Collectors across the world search for this coin because of its historical meaning, unique design, and surprising value potential. The obverse of the 1971 Eisenhower dollar features a strong, commanding portrait of Eisenhower facing left, designed by chief engraver Frank Gasparo. Above his head, you will see the word Liberty, while the national motto "In God We Trust" appears boldly on the left side. The date 1971 sits proudly below the portrait. The design reflects power, leadership, and patriotism, making this coin stand out among other U.S. dollar coins. The sharp details in Eisenhower's hair and facial features are key areas collectors inspect carefully, especially when determining high-grade condition. Turning the coin over reveals an inspiring reverse design that connects American history with space exploration. The reverse shows an eagle landing on the moon, clutching an olive branch, based on the Apollo 11 mission insignia. This design honors the historic 1969 moon landing and symbolizes peace and achievement. The eagle is surrounded by the words United States of America and $1, with the motto E pluribus unum above the eagle. This powerful space-themed reverse gives the 1971 Eisenhower dollar a special place among collectors who appreciate both presidential and space history. The 1971 Eisenhower dollar was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia carry no mint mark. Denver issues display a small D mint mark, while San Francisco coins have an S. The Philadelphia and Denver versions were struck in a copper-nickel clad composition for circulation. However, San Francisco produced special collector versions, including 40% silver uncirculated and proof coins. These silver versions are especially attractive to collectors because of their precious metal content and brilliant finish. One of the most searched varieties is the 1971 S-proof Eisenhower dollar. Proof coins were specially struck for collectors using polished dies and planchets, resulting in mirror-like fields and frosted designs. The contrast between the shiny background and detailed portrait creates a stunning visual effect. High-grade proof coins, especially those graded PR69 or PR70 by professional grading services, can command impressive prices in today's collector market. Condition plays a massive role in determining value, as even small scratches or marks can reduce desirability. When it comes to value, most circulated 1971 Eisenhower dollars are worth modest premiums above face value. However, uncirculated examples in mint state condition can sell for significantly higher amounts. Coins graded MS-65 or above become much more desirable. The 1971 issue is known among collectors for having weak strikes, particularly in the hair above Eisenhower's ear and in the eagle's breast feathers. Finding a sharply struck, high-grade example can be challenging, and that rarity increases demand. Error coins from 1971 also attract serious attention. Off-center strikes, doubled dies, clipped planchets, and die cracks can dramatically increase a coin's value. Some double die varieties show noticeable doubling in the lettering or date, making them highly collectible. If you examine your 1971 Eisenhower dollar carefully under magnification, you might discover small but valuable mint errors that could turn an ordinary coin into a sought-after treasure. Another fascinating factor is the historical timing of the 1971 Eisenhower dollar release. The coin marked the first dollar coin produced since the peace dollar series ended in 1935. For decades, the United States did not produce circulating dollar coins until this bold return. The large size and heavy weight of the Eisenhower dollar made it impressive but somewhat impractical for everyday commerce, which is one reason it never became widely used in daily transactions. This limited circulation use means many examples were saved by collectors and the public. The composition of the standard 1971 Eisenhower dollar consists of outer layers of copper-nickel bonded to a pure copper core. The total weight is 22.68 grams, and the diameter measures 38.1 millimeters, making it one of the largest modern U.S. coins. The 40% silver versions struck in San Francisco contain a blend of silver and copper, giving them intrinsic bullion value in addition to collector appeal. These silver coins are often stored in their original blue or brown government packaging, which can add to overall value if preserved in excellent condition. Today, the 1971 Eisenhower $1 coin remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate large coins, presidential history, and space exploration themes. While most examples will not make someone a millionaire overnight, certain high-grade, silver, proof, or rare error varieties can bring strong premiums in auctions and private sales. The key to unlocking true value lies in condition, mint mark. Today we're diving deep into one of the most searched and talked about American coins in the collector world, the 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial Eisenhower $1 coin. This historic United States coin was issued to celebrate 200 years of American independence, marking the powerful milestone from 1776 to 1976. When you hold this coin, you're not just holding money, you're holding a piece of history that connects directly back to the birth of a nation. The dual date, 1776 to 1976, instantly sets it apart from ordinary dollar coins, and that's exactly why collectors across the world continue searching for its value, rare errors, and high-grade versions today. The coin features the bold portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the obverse. Above his profile, you'll see the word Liberty, and just below his neck the powerful national motto, "In God We Trust." This design was created by chief engraver Frank Gasparo, whose initials FG can be found on the coin. The Eisenhower dollar was originally introduced in 1971, but the special bicentennial reverse was struck only for 1975 and 1976 to honor America's 200th birthday. No coins dated 1975 exist for this series. All bicentennial pieces carry the dual date 1776 to 1976. Now let's talk about the reverse design, which makes this coin truly unforgettable. Instead of the traditional eagle design seen on regular Eisenhower dollars, the Bicentennial edition features the Liberty Bell superimposed over the moon. This powerful image symbolizes both American independence and the nation's achievements in space exploration. The design was created by artist Dennis R. Williams after winning a national competition. Around the rim you'll see United States of America and $1, along with the motto E Pluribus Unum. This unique reverse is one of the main reasons collectors continue to search for this coin in circulation and online marketplaces. The 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower Dollar was minted in 3 major locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia do not carry a mint mark, while Denver coins have a small D mint mark. San Francisco coins carry an S mint mark and were struck in both clad-proof and 40% silver versions. The silver versions were not released for general circulation but were sold in special collector sets. If you're searching for higher value, the San Francisco silver-proof versions are often more desirable than standard clad circulation strikes. In terms of composition, most Bicentennial Eisenhower dollars are copper-nickel clad, meaning they do not contain silver. However, the special 40% silver versions minted in San Francisco have a different weight and shine. The clad coins weigh approximately 22.68 grams, while the silver versions weigh slightly more at around 24.59 grams. Checking the edge of the coin can help. Silver versions lack the strong copper stripe seen on clad coins. Many collectors in coin roll hunting look carefully for this detail because silver content increases overall value. Now let's talk about value. In circulated condition, most 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower dollars are worth around face value to a few dollars, depending on condition. However, uncirculated coins in high mint state grades, especially MS65 and above, can sell for significantly more. Silver-proof versions in pristine condition often command higher premiums. Professional grading by companies like Professional Coin Grading Service or Numismatic Guarantee Company can dramatically impact value, especially if the coin receives a high numeric grade. Error coins are where things get truly exciting. Some Bicentennial Eisenhower dollars have been discovered with striking errors, off-center strikes, double dies, or clipped planchets. A genuine double die variety can significantly increase a coin's market price. There are also Type 1 and Type 2 reverse varieties for the 1976 S-proof coins. Type 1 features bold, thicker lettering, while Type 2 has sharper, more refined lettering. Collectors often pay closer attention to the scarcer Type 2 variety because of its cleaner design and lower mintage. The historical importance of this coin also adds to its popularity. The Bicentennial celebration in 1976 was a massive national event across the United States, and special commemorative coins were issued in multiple denominations including the quarter, half dollar, and dollar. The Eisenhower dollar remains the largest and most dramatic of the circulating bicentennial coins. It represents both American independence and the legacy of a respected military leader turned president. That dual symbolism makes it emotionally powerful as well as collectible. Condition plays a massive role in determining market price. Coins with minimal contact marks, strong luster, and sharp details will always command more attention from buyers. Proof coins with deep cameo contrast, where the design appears frosted against a mirror-like background, are particularly attractive to collectors. Storage also matters. Coins kept in protective holders or original government packaging tend to maintain better surfaces compared to coins that circulated heavily. If you're searching through old coin jars, inherited collections, or bankrolls, don't ignore the 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower dollar. While not every coin will make you rich, certain high-grade silver proofs, rare varieties, or error examples can bring impressive premiums. The key is understanding mint marks, composition, condition, and variety differences. This bicentennial dollar is more than just a $1 coin. It is a tribute to 200 years of American freedom, a celebration of national pride, and a collectible that continues to capture attention nearly 5 decades later.